This lesson is about equations of a circle and writing some equations if you're given the center and the radius. So the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared, where r is the radius. If it's like this with no parentheses, then the center is at 0, 0, and the radius is r, which means it would be the square root of whatever you have here, whatever number there's there. If the center is not at 0, 0, the equation looks like this: x minus h squared plus y, it should be a y, minus k squared equals r squared. The x and y will always be x's and y's in the equation. The h and k are your center, and again, the square root of whatever number you have here will be your radius. So we're going to do a couple examples. We're going to write a couple equations of circles. So in the first example, we know that the center is 0, 0 and the radius is 5. So we would write the equation x squared plus y squared equals 25, because if the radius is 5, we square it to put the r squared down here. So in this case, we have the centers at 4, 0. Well, the x, this is the h again, and the formula says x minus h squared plus y minus 0 squared, and y minus 0 is just y, so we'll just put y squared, equals 3 squared, which is 9. And on our last example, we have an h and a k. So we have x minus 1 squared plus y minus a negative 5, so instead of minus a negative we can put plus 5. And the square root of 7 is our radius, and to square that, we'd get rid of the radical, so it would just be 7. And those are some examples of writing equations of circles given the center and the radius.